Friends, today I am going to explain about how the spider lithium battery pack assembly gets started. First, we are opening the cell boxes, prismatic cell boxes. We are importing the cells from China, the brand called EVE, and here we have cell grading machine. Here we are monitoring the IR and voltage. Here every cell we are monitoring the internal resistance and voltages. For one pack for 51.2 volt pack, we are assembling with 16 cells. So we are grading 16 numbers of cells, equal IR and equal voltage.